Hello guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you what I got in my IPSY Glam Bag and my IPSY by BOXYCHARM, which is really weird to say. So this is for April of 2023, and we're just going to open this up and see what I got inside. Really excited because this is the first IPSY by BOXYCHARM, or BOXYCHARM by IPSY. IPSY, I don't know which way it goes. I've been so out of the loop. Listen, I haven't filmed in over 40 days, so it's awkward sitting here doing this. One of my lights is broke, so I have one light. I don't even know if this is going to look good, especially because I've only used the green screen once. It's a whole thing. The hair, it's a mess. I get it. I know. Let's just get into the video because I am feeling awkward. You know what? I need another sip of coffee. We're just going to get into it. So, I don't even think I'm going to edit it because I don't even know if I know how to edit anymore. It's been so long. Good Lord. Okay. So this is going to be super easy because my regular IPSY is in this IPSY package and everything else that's actually out is IPSY by BOXYCHARM or BOXYCHARM by I don't know. So regular glam bag. Yee. Okay. Look good, do good. This is actually cute, very spring-like. Love that. So the very first thing in here are some Farah mini sponges, which I do have a bunch of mini sponges that I use for my under eye. I like to use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder under my eyes, and I do have little tiny sponges like this that I use. So love these actually a lot because I will definitely be using those. And then I have this gel eyeliner from Shades by Shan, and this is in the shade Matcha. And it's made in Germany, which is cool. So this is going to be like a brown. Actually, this is more like a green because matcha is green. So I didn't put two and two together. And then we have this product in a box from Benefit. We love Benefit. This is the Professional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. They have cleansers now. I love Benefit. All their products are good. This is actually very much sticky. Smells good. So this has definitely had a couple pumps already taken out of it. Probably should have had a cap or like a locking mechanism, but I definitely lost some product, but I can't wait to try that because I love Benefit and I love cleansers. So I'm very happy with that. And then we have this from the New Co. This is the Barrier Culture Moisturizer. I'm going to put this on my hands right now because my hands are dry, my skin is dry, everything about me is just not doing the best right now. So let's moisturize these hands real quick, shall we? Yes, this feels so good. We're just going to use it as a hand cream because I need it. It doesn't really have the best smell. Okay, so now that we've done that, oh my gosh, my face and makeup looks so dark. Ugh, I'm so sorry. Lastly, from Real Her, we have a Length Volume Mascara. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to keep it in the packaging so when I do get around to using it, it'll be fresh and it won't be old and gross and dried up. So that's everything that came in this glam bag. Now let's move on to the glam bag plus IPSY by BOXYCHARM thing. Here's my IPSY Creator Incubator, which this is now called IPSY Creator Incubator instead of IPSY Open Studios, which is like the free IPSY that you get if you're in it. So we hope you love your products this month. Follow us on IPSY and BOXYCHARM. So I guess it's still like they're associating themselves with BOXYCHARM. I don't know. Anything is possible. A new season is bound to welcome some amazing changes for us and for you while we're bringing the best of IPSY and BOXYCHARM together under IPSY to create the ultimate beauty membership. Get ready to embrace all the new possibilities this spring, making more thoughtful, sustainable beauty choices. It's Earth Month after all. Experimenting with the latest makeup trends and expressing every gorgeous side of you. Okay, so that's what we got here. First product I am pulling out is this one here from the brand Too Vegan Red Remedy Toner Color Food Series. I don't think I've heard of this brand, but I really like the packaging, the yellow and the red. It kind of makes me want McDonald's. So that's fun. So it's just a toner. Too Vegan. Oh, okay. I think there's like a lid. Okay, so Too Vegan. Don de do. Or, I don't know what language that is, but this is it. Cool. And I will use that for sure, for sure. Next up, from Origins, that's exciting. The Ginseng Into the Glow Brightening Serum. Oh, yes, that's exciting. Okay, very, very excited about this. Brightening Serum. Origins is like an amazing brand. Products are all amazing, phenomenal. Never gotten to try one. So excited to actually try one. The excitement is actually like so real right now. Okay, next I'm just pulling. There's like a lot of these things in my box. I don't know if everyone's gonna get one like this, but like there's a lot of like that in the box. I have a Natasha Denona palette here. This is the Alloy palette. So this is one of their like bigger palettes. So it's like their, what is it, $48 palettes versus their $25 because they're smaller. Oh, and this is actually really cute, and it is definitely one that I can see myself using. I love Natasha Denona shadows. I use the palettes often. This is much more of a kind of a warm tone, but we do have some cool tones here. So it's kind of like a mixture of both. So I will definitely get quite a lot of use out of this. Like, this is a handy palette to have. I'm actually really excited that I got that palette. Cool. Okay, and then I have... Oh, okay. LYS Beauty No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick. LYS is like the bomb. So I got it in the shade Medium Harmony. I hope that this will work for my skin tone because I am kind of pale, but I've already tanned up being outside in the sun once so far because, you know, I do farm girl stuff, okay? And my freckles are already like out and about. So color matching everything is like really hard. So let's go ahead and just swatch. Ooh. This might be a little too dark, but we'll have to try it to see. Because if not, I can give this to my friend Noelle because I know this will probably be for her because she is much more tan than I am. So I will try it out on me. If not, it'll go to a good home. And then I have one product left in here, and this is from Fenty Beauty. This is the Gloss Bomb Heat in Lava Lemon. I'm pretty sure I got rid of all of my other Fenty Beauty glosses. So here is the Heat. It's just, you know, this color. So yeah, that's everything that I got this month. I want to swatch some of these eyeshadow shades because like I'm feeling like it. Yeah, see, her quality is so good. It's like so soft. Okay, so I got the shimmer swatched. Absolutely gorge. And then let's just do a couple of these mattes. We'll just do it right here. Oh, that's like the worst angle ever. Okay, so I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna like this a lot. I wish I had some more makeup remover wipes because I don't have any more, so this is gonna be great. Anyways, that is it. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Let me know down in the comments what you guys got in your BOXYCHARM, I guess, for this month. what were your choices and all of that. I am going to make a separate video talking about one of my subscribers' choices because honestly, comparing what I got to her choices, I'm like, are we really starting this out this way? It's not the best. So I will see you guys in that video. Thank you guys. Love you so much. And I'll see you next time.